All right, welcome back again to Brainy Bites tutorial. Okay, if this is your first time of coming across to our YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. All right, so we are Brainy Bites tutorial, and what we do in this channel is that we talk about things that concerns JAMB, WAEC, admission, and a whole lot of them. So if you are any of these candidates, please, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on all bell notifications so that because I'm dropping videos and updates on YouTube on daily basis. All right, so it is important for you to subscribe and turn on all bell notifications so that when I drop any of this video, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check it out. All right, so and that said, we also have a WhatsApp group which is basically for our registered UTME candidates. Okay, so if you are any of these candidates, you can let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number, and after getting to know you on our WhatsApp page, I'll have to add you to our WhatsApp group. All right, so the reason for you to be in our WhatsApp group is that there in our WhatsApp group you can have access to speak with me on voice call, mobile call, and ask me any question at any point of time. I'll definitely have to come to answer you, because here on the platform it takes a couple of time for me to respond to some comments, but by the special grace of God, I try my possible best to respond to all of my comments. All right, I'm a kind of busy, but I do try my possible best to respond to all of my comments. All right, so let's get right to the video. So if you need any of this thing, if you want me to do any particular thing for you, let me know in the comment section what you want me to do for you. All right, I'll be right there to give you my attention. Okay, so the first one is the objective of the 1941 Niger expedition included the following, except A, the abolition of the slave trade, B, the establishment of legitimate commerce, C, establishment of friendly relationship with Africans, D, acquire greater knowledge of the interior of Africa. So the correct option is option D, which is acquire greater knowledge of the interior of Africa. Please take this tutorial very serious. All right, so while you are studying with your Post UTME past question, add to this. All right, know all of these things and have it scored in your forehead, because I have a lot of candidates that have written Post UTME and they have all testified that it helped them a lot. All right, so you have to yourself try your possible best while you are studying with your Post UTME questions, and you also study with this as well. It will help you. All right, it will definitely help you. All right, so number two says the economic community of West African states, ECOWAS, is dash: A, an economic association, B, a political association, C, cultural association, D, a social association. So the correct option is A, which is an economic association. All right, so the third one there says the process of depriving persons of the right of voting is known as dash: A, disfranchisement, B, disqualification, C, prohibition, D, dismissal. So the correct option is, of course, disenfranchisement. All right, that's the correct option. Okay, so number 4, the question of civil war raised for the first time at the meeting of the OAU in September 1967 in dash: A, Kampala, B, Addis Ababa, C, Nairobi, D, Kinshasa. So the correct option is Kinshasa. That's the correct option, which is option D. Okay, so let's further ahead to the fifth option. The fifth option says, which of the following is not an accepted way of resolving international conflicts? Okay, A, diplomacy, B, propaganda, C, non-military use of force, D, military force war, E, nuclear war. So the correct option is E, which is nuclear war. Okay, let's go to the next one. Number 6 says A unified local government system was adopted in Nigeria under the dash. A. Tafawa Balewa administration, Yakubu Gowon administration, Shehu Shagari administration, Murtala Obasanjo administration, Muhammadu Buhari administration. Of course, the correct option is option D, which is Murtala Obasanjo administration. Right? So that's the correct option. Murtala Obasanjo administration. Okay, please, you guys should note all of these things. Okay, it is very, very important. As long as you registered for Post UTME and you are gearing up for the exam, forthcoming exam, it will definitely help you. All right, it has helped so many of them. And mind you that if you don't pass Post UTME, you'll find it very difficult to gain admission into higher institutions. So it is important for you to pass your Post UTME. It's very, very important. Okay, so let's get right. So number seventh one says military governors were members of the Supreme Military Council under dash. Military governors were members of the Supreme Military Council under dash. A. Murtala Muhammad regime. B. Yakubu Gowon. C. Ibrahim Babangida regime. D. Muhammadu Buhari regime. So the correct option is option B, which is Yakubu Gowon. Okay, so the next 8 says residual powers under the Nigerian Independence Constitution were the powers exercised by dash. Okay, so the first option there is the federal government, the regional government, the local government, both the federal and the regional government. Of course, is option B. We have first seen it in one of the first video I did on the government, so you definitely have to prepare this against this your exam. All right, so option B is the correct option. Number 9 says it is the duty of a government to perform all the following functions except A. Providing all the needs of its citizens, B. Preventing internal disorder, C. Providing basic welfare services, D. Promoting industrial and commercial development. So the correct option is option A, which is providing all the needs of each citizen. So now number 10. Number 10 says the following factors favor the introduction of the indirect rule in Nigeria except the dash. A. Shortage of manpower. B. Shortage of funds. C. Existence of educated elites. D. Existence of a system of taxation. C is the correct option. Existence of educated elites. Number 11. Number 11 says it is argued that the most of the new states of Africa cannot remain faithful to the doctrines of non-alignment, mainly because of A. Corruption, B. Ethnic problems, C. Bad leadership, D. Poor economy. All right, of course, it's poor economy, which is option D. Okay, so the 12 says the delegation of administrative powers to the local units with the central supervision and control is called dash. A. Devolution, B. Decentralization, C. Deconcentration, D. Centralization, E. Concentration. So the correct option is option A, which is devolution. Okay, please, if you have stick around from this video from the beginning to the end, thank you so much. All right, so if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and do well to turn on bell notification, because I drop updates on YouTube on daily basis. All right, so subscribe, it will help you so much. All right, so you follow up with our content, but I'll be dropping it on YouTube on daily basis. Okay, thank you so much and keep preparing. I wish you success and I wish you good luck. All right, so until I see you again in my next video, don't forget I love you all. Keep winning.